Hi, I'm Brandon Bombardo with ShopSabre CNC. Today, we're running the ShopSabre SideKick CNC Plasma technology in contrast to the ShopSabre FiberSabre Fiber Laser technology behind me. Often, we get asked, why does ShopSabre offer both fiber laser and CNC plasma technology? Well, the answer is quite simple. They both have their advantages, and therefore selecting the right product for the job matters. CNC plasma is very good for a large majority of applications, specifically when you need to maintain a strict budget or are limited by the space available to perform your work. CNC fiber laser traditionally is more popular when the focus is on the tolerances you need to maintain when you're cutting thinner materials at high speed, or when you need to maintain a smaller than 1 to 1.5 hole size, meaning your hole is smaller than 1.5 times the thickness of your materials. In this demonstration today, we will be running the same file on both machines head to head. We'll be using 14 gauge mild steel to showcase some of the differences. Let's get these machines cutting. As that demonstration shows, ShopSabre builds incredibly powerful tools in a wide range of applications. And depending on what you are most focused on, there are different technologies for different applications. As you can see, the FiberSabre was much quicker head-to-head, which makes it extremely effective for thinner cutting demands and high-speed output. Be sure to connect with our sales team today to discuss which technology might be best for your specific needs. Thank you for watching this ShopSabre video. I'm Brandon Bombardo, and we'll see you in the next video.